Welcome to the tutorial for Bubble Battle. It's the application located here in your main menu. I will be showing this in Windows, but of course you can also run this on your Mac. So this essentially allows you to graph 4 variables in a 2D space. 3 of the variables will be continuous, and 1 will be categorical. You don't have to use the 4th one. Now, I'm going to apply this to the human factors design area, but you could apply this to a multitude of fields. So you can do that. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's just call this tutorial 2, and we'll create a spreadsheet. That creates a spreadsheet template. So we're going to open that up. Now that opened pretty quickly. It's opening up pretty quickly. If you already have Excel open, then it'll open a little bit faster than if you don't have Excel open. And you can see the template that you'd fill in. You'd have data from a previous study, like a usability test or something like that. And if you ever get confused on exactly how to plug these numbers in labels, just go over to this worksheet. And this will show where you put the graph title in, the different variable titles, min and maxes, and then the actual data for each one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close this. And then I already prepped a spreadsheet, so it looks just like the one you just saw. But I'm going to go ahead and graph that. And let's say hypothetically we have 4 different browsers: Safari, Firefox, Opera, and Internet Explorer. And we had these different like mean completion times, mean user satisfaction, and also mean success rate. Now our x variables here, y variable, and z would be the actual diameter of the bubbles. Now Bubble Battle is just a name because the bubbles are sort of competing to be displayed or to sort of race to the top or to be in front of each other. You'll see down here, for example, a smaller bubble will appear in front of a larger bubble, so it won't be occluded, so you don't have to worry about that. So where does the 4th variable come in? So this is the continuous variable. Let's just make this a red swatch. Let's double click, say that's Windows, and we're just going to hypothetically say that let's say these browsers only work on certain OSs. So I'll pick a color for that. And then you can go ahead and say, let's say Internet Explorer only worked on Windows, hypothetically. Let's say Opera only worked on a Mac. Okay, and you want to be careful which colors you choose because in this particular case you don't want the black text to be washed out by, let's say, a dark blue bubble here. And also note that because this bubble is so small, the text appeared outside next to it. Same with the Opera. And then let's say Safari is on a Mac. Sometimes you have to click a couple times. And let's say Firefox was on Windows. Okay, so then you see just the various colors here. Now you finally would want to export this. And we exported it, and you can open results to take a look. So we're going to see our graph here. And there you have it. And that's of course an image file, a PNG file. And please always remember that we looked at the results from within the app, but if you go back to the main suite, main menu, if you go to the global results folder, you can go in and see the same thing right there. Okay, that is Bubble Battle. Thank you.